here's the unboxing of my order. Thank you very much. Cosmetics and more. Oops. It's gonna take forever to get away, cat. You're not invited to the party. My phone has enough memory. Okay, here we go. Oh boy, they're gonna have fun with this one. Look at all this popcorn. Oh goodness. Oh my gosh, what a mess. Alright. Didn't realize it was gonna be like this. Alright, we have 3 mascaras. No, I'm sorry. Liquid markers. That. And here is the hand creams. Oh my gosh. I thought they were going to be boxed. 3 of the 102s. Then we have the facial groomers. 2 more of the Fabulashes. 2 more of the liquid liners. Hand cream. The brow kit. 1 of them. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. Another pack of Fabulashes. Another liquid marker. We have the lip glosses, which I will open individually shortly. Angel Baby lip glosses. And the lip balms. Okay, that is the contents of the box, and I will open them individually. Okay, here is the first box, which is the facial groomers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1 short. There should be 6 in here, if I'm not mistaken. 6. I'm supposed to have 6 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5. That's 1 short. Okay, the next item, which I recounted, was the brow kits. I did get 3, that is fine. So that is checked off. The next item are the liquid markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is correct. 6 of the Fabulashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is correct. Oops. And the sweet encounter, we're going to open next. Here's the box. Should be 6 pieces inside. Hold them in frame. Oops, usually the styrofoam at the bottom. Nope. And there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is the Angel Baby. There are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's good. And next is the lip balm. I'm going to take the packaging off. And there should be 24 pieces. How cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 12 on the other side, so that is correct. Those are cute. Next are the lotions, the hand creams. Here's one. Two, three, four. 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, and 10, which is correct. That's the correct amount. So the only item that I was short of was the Quick and Neat facial groomer. I was one short.